Hi, we are from final year ECE department. Our project is heartbeat monitoring using PIC microcontroller and pulse sensor.
Our program consists of three main components: pulse sensor, PIC microcontroller, and LCD display. Here the PIC microcontroller consists of 5 ports. Here port B and port D act as an output port and port C act as an input port. The output from the pulse sensor has been connected to the first pin of the port C, and next two pins are connected to the switch. The heartbeat from the pulse sensor has been given to the 15th pin, and then in a 16th pin that is used to discard the previous value if a new user comes and places the fingertips, hence it will reset the previous value. The last pin is used to start the counting of output from the pulse sensor. In our program, PIC microcontroller frequency is chosen as 20 MHz. Port B acts as an output port for the LCD display, and LCD data pins reset and enable has been connected to the port D, and these are the variables we have initialized, and three integer variables k, count and flag as initialized as 0. In main function, we have initialized these pins, these ports. Port B and port D act as an output port and port C act as an input port. We have given the input in terms of hexadecimal. And here in port C, last three pins 0, 1 and 2 has been chosen as 1, 1, 1. These are the initializing the interrupts and option register bits. Whenever the timer gets overflows, interrupt has been given to the PIC microcontroller. So these bits are initialized. Timer 0 interrupt flag. This will enable whenever the timer overflows. And next one is option register. Generally option register are used to select the clock pulses. And option register PSA equal to 0. Pulse prescaler assignment bits. It is used to assign the prescaler values. Generally prescaler are used for frequency divisions. Here the prescaler bits PS0, PS1 and PS2 has been given as 1. Next one is LCD initialize. It is used to initialize the LCD display. In while loop, if RC2 equal to 1, the output from the pulse sensor is given to the microcontroller, then it will enable the timer, that is interrupt control bits. Timer 0 interrupt enable is equal to 1. In next condition, if RC not equal to 1 and flag equal to 0, whenever the switch is closed, when the switch is closed only, it microcontroller starts to count the number of beats from the pulse sensor, and it will increment the k value to count the number of beats per second. Next one is else if otherwise flag equal to 1, that is timer gets overflows, then at that time it has to interrupt has been given. We know that normal person have 72 beats per minute. 1 minute consists of 60 seconds, that is we have written as 15 into 4, that is we have calculated the beats per minute for 15 seconds and we have multiplied it for 4, that is k is equal to k into 4. Function k is used to display the output beats per minute, and flag is initialized 0. Next one is else if RC1 equal to 1. If new user has been coming, then we have to erase or discard the previous value we have taken from the other persons. This interrupt is mainly used whenever the timer gets overflows. Here the timer 0 has 256 as maximum value. When it reaches the maximum value, interrupt has been given to the timer, that is PIC microcontroller. Some interrupt has been occurred. If interrupt control bits timer 0 interrupt flag, when interrupt occurs means it will count how many times the timer gets overflows. This is the interrupt functions.